All right, guys, we bought this here. I'll have to pull up the receipt. I think it was around 700. I think I kind of got lucky. Maybe I could be wrong, but I bought it for a couple specific reasons. Looks kind of small. I could see it looks dirty there. Oh, some cornhole. What made me buy it real quick before we get any further was this right here. I thought this looked like an expensive weight set, and I could be wrong, but usually these are kind of pricey. I didn't even notice this right here. I didn't notice this at all until after I won. I'm like, wait a minute, that's an iMac. And then you could see some kettlebells here, and that's pretty much what made me want to buy this. And I think there's a pool table back here, which I'm going to try to keep, and it just looked all around good. I need a file cabinet. Not that I need to spend that. I didn't like this right here, but it just had a vibe. We're gonna go ahead and start getting through it. Cute little mirror. Okay, right off the bat, mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the flyest of them all? Let's go. What's this? Damn, somebody's cat. Okay, we're gonna get we got Uncle Michael coming, so we're gonna come and see what's going on here. This is kind of nice. If this is not locked, that's money right there. I think I have the same one. We'll see. I'm a little deep in this one. What we're gonna do is load this all up, bring it home, and go through it with the Fam Bam. That's what we do. So we take a little bit of clips here, go through it a tiny bit, see it. Oh, pots and pans. What could be in this thing? Nothing. That sucks. Is this giving homeless vibes? Now this is something that comes in handy when you live in the forest. Maybe this will cut my trees better. I like tools. Oh, that's a good little set there. Okay. That's nice. Ooh, it's an atomic with the battery. All right. Again, I'm just peeking. It's hard to not peek and go through this stuff like this. How does this work? Come on. How does that work? That's money right there, though. I might keep this. This is one weight thing to rule all. I just don't know how it works. Like this, maybe? This doesn't make sense. Okay. Let's see. Alright, it's not too bad looking. It's not too bad looking. They had a nice little toolbox there. Probably how they made their money. Oh, I like that. I might keep that. I might keep this whole box. Husky. All right, we got some tools. That's not bad. All right, let's see if this is money because it's Milwaukee. Oh, wow. It's missing one thing, but that looks very expensive. Man, I might have to keep this set. That's a hard Milwaukee 1/2 inch drive. socket. I think it's a good set though, to be honest with you. Right there, 179, 200 bucks. Already, we're not even gonna hesitate to grab it. Let's see what the hell it is. Is it a BB gun? That's a horrible whatever it is. It's a pellet gun. I wonder if there's anything in there, guys. Should we save that to the end to break open? Look, guys, we got Uncle Mike.
What's up, chat? What's up, chat?
Stanley. Okay. Oh my goodness, guys. I'm not even gonna open that. That looks absolutely putrid right there. You see it? Wow. Oh, these are awesome right here. We could box it home now. Check that out. Oh, that's on like Donkey Kong. Now these are kind of tight. I probably would keep these because I can use this stuff around the house, and there's like, it's all organized, and oh yeah, I could use all that stuff right there. Look guys, he's wearing the shirt he got from the last storage unit you saw him help me with. Damn.
Got water filter, bro?
Yeah. It is. Nice one too.
You like 10 bucks, right?
Yeah, right. Why are you so cheap, Michael?
I think that's a fair offer.
You know what I paid for mine?
Like what, 400?
A couple hundred, yeah. I'll go 50 on it.
Really?
Yeah, it's a nice one.
Let's call it like a late Christmas present, you know what I mean? Early birthday present, maybe?
I am partnership, abundance, peace, joy, focus, vitality, love, help, compania, growth, and healing. All right.
Sound like you.
I mean, yeah. What are these? You put these on your titties? No, on your back. All right. Guys, my son's telling me you can really charge me 50 bucks. I'm 800 deep trying to at least get my money back. I look it up. It's $447 at Walmart. I should charge him more.
I'll give you 10 bucks, you know what I mean?
50 bucks is very fair.
I guess I can send it to your crypto. I don't think I have 50 bucks in cash.
You could definitely send me in crypto. I don't care.
I said always cash. I'm actually like cash.
Something. Come on. One thing that's good.
Oh, you're right. I ate it down.
All right. Yeah, that's how we're going to get this pool table out.
I'm not.
Oh, they were party animals, bro.
No.
Booze and pills.
City's filling up.
Booze everywhere. Amin Tadalafal. I don't think that was probably good. Oh my goodness, straight slobs. Vodka bottle. We almost killed ourselves moving this. I'm gonna see if I can give this away for free and get it out of here. That kind of sucks. I had a lot of high hopes of getting that back to my house and making a pool table in my garage.